Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Realty, and welcome to Cypress Pointe subdivision here in Covington, Georgia. This is my latest listing here at 45 Brighton Drive. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, stepless ranch with 1,346 square feet. It's been recently renovated to include new flooring in the main living areas as well as all 3 bedrooms and both baths. Most of the inside has been freshly painted, and it includes upgraded fixtures. The kitchen offers tile floors, less than 2-year-old appliances, and all new cabinetry and granite countertops. The house sits on just over a half-acre lot with a large open backyard on a quiet dead-end street. The roof is less than 2 years old. There's a small grilling patio out back and even a screened-in porch on the front of the home. After your tour of the home, stick around and I'll show you what the local town of Covington has to offer as far as shopping, dining, and entertainment. But for now, come on in, take a look around. Welcome back. Now, as promised, a brief overview of the local area. This home sits just 20 minutes south of the beautiful little historic town of Covington, Georgia, also known as the Hollywood of the South, as multiple movies and TV shows have been or are currently being filmed here. You'll find great locally owned restaurants. Right on the square is the famous Mystic Grill. This is where you'll probably find the best cocktails in town. Be sure to meet your friends or enjoy dinner with the locals at the bar, or enjoy its rooftop seating overlooking the town square. No better place to enjoy town festivals and concerts throughout the year. Come custom build your own pizza just the way you like it at Your Pie. Come bring your own finger food and a bottle of wine and take art classes at the Wild Art Studio. Walk over to Scoops and pick out something sweet to eat after dinner and enjoy your choice in one of their comfortable rocking chairs overlooking the square. Another fantastic place for dinner would be City Pharmacy, with its beautiful bar, great salads, meats, seafood, and even an oyster bar. There are miles of walking and biking trails around town. Plan to visit the town olive oil tasting gallery. Do you love to shop? You'll have no shortage of locally owned small boutiques and consignment stores scattered all around town. Just off the square is Legion Field, where several events take place throughout the year, such as carnivals, music events, and even food truck Fridays. There are plenty of golf courses nearby to choose from. Even enjoy picnicking, fishing, or kayaking on the Yellow River, only 15 minutes away. If you'd like more information, you have questions, or you'd like to schedule your own private showing of this home, please give me a call at 404-803-4669. Have you got a home to sell? Love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button for more information. My listings always receive professional photos that put on 2 multiple listing services and push to over 700 websites. I always create an HD video just like this one. Call me or email me at chris.may@cbrealty.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.